Seriously. Let's talk about keeping your WordPress website current and secure. How many of you have a website? How many of you use WordPress to power your website? I bet a lot of you do. But how many of you make sure to keep your website updated regularly? Not as many, I imagine. Let me tell you, keeping your website updated is one of the most important things you can do for your online presence. Not only does it ensure that your website is running smoothly and efficiently, but it also helps keep hackers away. Hackers are constantly looking for vulnerabilities in websites, and outdated software invites them to attack. By updating your website on a regular basis, you are closing those vulnerabilities and making it much more difficult for hackers to gain access. But I know what you might be thinking. Updating my website sounds like a lot of work. And yes, it can be. But it's worth it. Just think about all the time and effort you've put into creating your website. Don't you want to protect that investment? And it's not just about protecting your website, it's about protecting yourself and your customers. Your website is likely the face of your business online, and you want to make sure that face is as secure as possible. So, I urge you to make website updates a priority. Set aside time each month to check for and install updates. It may seem like a small task, but it can make a huge difference in the security and success of your website. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. Don't wait for something to go wrong before you take action. Be proactive and keep your website updated regularly. It's a small step that can make a big impact. Take control of your online presence and make sure your website is as secure as possible. The future of your business and website is in your hands. P.S. If you are unable to keep up with regular updates, just ask me. I'll take care of that for you.